Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Ticket Tool bot in Discord. First thing I want you to do is come here to tickettool.xyz, click here on invite ticket tool, and then you'll get this pop-up on your Discord. Just choose the server, we'll log in with this server, click on continue, and let's authorize this. Give it all those permissions, click on authorize. And now what I want you to do once you succeed with that, click on go to server and I want you to assign a role. So we'll come up here, click on this drop down, click on server settings, click here on roles, click on create role, and then you can name this role whatever you want. I'll just name this support staff. And then what I want you to do is give it the necessary permissions that you need. So I'll give it this permission, and then you go ahead and add your members to this role. So I'll go ahead and add myself, and then we'll click here on Save Changes. Now, once that is done, you can come here and create a category. So just come up here and you are able to create your new category, or of course, you can create your channels as well while you're at it. So we'll just create a channel right now and we'll name this one Support Ticket or just Create Ticket. And then we'll just go ahead and create this channel. And then people will come here and have their tickets. So just go ahead and type in / setup. And you should see this right here. Click on that. Go ahead and press enter. And now what I want you to do is click here on create a panel. And then what I want you to do is set the name of the panel. So click here and you can name this whatever you want. I'll just name this one tickets. Click on submit. And now I want you to go ahead and click on save and continue and then choose your roles. So you'll come down here, we'll choose our support staff, and then we'll go ahead and save and continue. Of course, you can have more roles as well. And then we'll just come here and make sure we have the role set up, save and continue, and then save and continue again. And now you select your categories. So do it in this text channel here. Of course, you can have a separate category as well if you want. Then we'll come here and save and continue that as well. After that, what I want you to do is go ahead and select the transcript channel, which will be this one, create ticket. We'll save and continue again. And then now we'll send the panel into this channel as well. So we'll go ahead and finish that. And now people will come here and click on create ticket. And that will go ahead and create tickets that your support staff can see. And they can, of course, close it just like this as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.